Right, we're going to make a data quality services matching project, and the first thing we're going to do is create a view of our customers, which is from the clean and dirty no match outputs. Just create that view, select from there, see if we can find some. You can see Abby Gonzalez wasn't matched, still got a negative key there because there's a slightly funny spelling going on. Okay, so we're going to start data quality client, and we've connected to our server, and we're going to create a new knowledge base for our cleansing, matching even, TK463 customers matching, and we're going to have a matching policy for this knowledge base. We click next. It's going to be a SQL Server source. Our database is going to be staging data, and the view is going to be the customer DQS match that we just created, and we're going to create two domains because we're going to match on full name. Can leave it as a string, disable that, and click that, and another domain for street address because we're going to match on that, so it's going to be name and street address that we match on. Again, string, uncheck that, click that. So we've got our first column, full name, matching to our full name domain, street address, mapping to our street address. And we're also going to create a composite domain, which is going to be called name address, and we're going to have the name and address in our composite domain. So you can see these over here are domains, full name, street address, and our composite name address. So click next, and here we create our matching policy. So we're going to create a rule. So click matching rule. The first one is going to be composite 100, and we're going to add domains, and we're going to have it for the name and address, and we're going to give it 100 for the weight. So I think basically we're asking for an exact match there. So we're going to click start, let that run. Just performing the matches there. Similarity set to similar, weight being 100%. Okay, so we've got some matches there. We've got Catherine Drive. You can see the names and street addresses are quite similar. It's got a score of 82%, so that must be the similarity match there. So we can have a look at our matching results. We've matched 27%, and 72% are still unmatched. You can see there's some other statistics there as well. And we're going to add another rule, which we're going to give name 40% and address 60, and the scores with our domains have to add up to 100, 40, 60, and just to note, these prerequisites here can help you filter down what you're matching on by saying they're a prerequisite. So name 40, address 60. So click start. So we can also see there the min matching score is 80%, so for our match to pass it has to exceed that score. Okay, so we got 25% matched and 74% unmatched. Again, all the statistics are there, and we can see our results, and we can filter for matched and unmatched. So they're all the unmatched records still. And we're going to create one more rule, and we're going to call this name 60, address 40, add our domains, and this time we'll have name being 60, address being 40, and we'll execute it on previous data because that should make it run quicker. Once I can get off. Oh, looks like I've got to reload it, so I click start. So just let that run. Okay, so again there's our matching results. Oh no, wait for it to come back. So what have we got? 26% matched. And again there's our results. We can filter it if we wanted. If we execute on previous data, just to show you, it'd be a lot quicker when we're changing between rules. So back to that one. Well, I say quicker. The data's already loaded, so it only has to do the second part, and there's a 25% match. So we're going to apply all those three rules that we've just been playing around with. So we click next, and we're going to start our matching now. Just to show you, these are the three rules being applied. As you can see, it's going through now. And there's all the steps. And just so you can see, the rule applied is color coded. So you can find any of the others. Most of them are obviously the composite 100, but you never know, there might be some others in there. Got anything that tells us? Right, so we got 28% matched, 71% unmatched based on those rules that we've applied. So there's our knowledge base for matching done. We're going to click finish, and we're going to publish. Hello Have. We're going to click OK. And now what we're going to do, we're going to create a new data quality project and use that knowledge base to apply some matching. Can't actually get to the computer because Harvey's nudging me. Customers, I know, it's terrible. Customers matching project. Going to use our knowledge base TK463 matching that we just created, and our activity is going to be matching. Click next. So our data source is going to be SQL Server. Our database is going to be DQS staging data, and we're going to be using our customer's DQAS match view, and you can see that the source columns and domains set up. I think that's just automatic from where we set up our knowledge base. And we are going to click next. Oh, this always happens. Let's select SQL Server again in the data source. Click next. And we're going to reload our data. So let's just check. There's our matching rules from our knowledge base. Going to click start. Okay, just letting it run. steps now, flying through. And there it is completed. And again we can see we're in a similar situation as we were before, except this is now a project. So we click next, and again we can filter our results to have a look at, but we've seen all that before. We click next, and what we can do is export the contents of our results now to SQL, CSV or Excel. We're going to go to SQL Server, and we're going to send it to the staging data, and our matching is going to go to TQS matching results, and our survivorship is going to go to TQS survivorship results, and our rule is going to be the most complete and longest record, and then we're going to click export. Close, finish. So you can see our data quality project is there. There's our matching project. So we can run it again. Just go have a look at the tables that we've outputted. So there's the matching results. You can see there we've got the scores on the matching and the rule that won. Oh, I saw one. There we are. There's a name 60, address 40 that passed there. So what's that? So clearly that it thinks that the name matches a bit more there. Anyway, survivorship results. We've got a lot in there. So mostly negative keys. But anyway, we can see that we've exported those results into the tables there with all the rules and status.